Week 2.
Week 2 at Supreme. We've got Air Forces. Big drop. And we've got a bit of a little Nike collab apparently. So we're gonna go out there.
Black.
There's a keypad. There's some incense, the wizard thing. And we're gonna go out there and see what we can find today.
Weather's looking miserable.
Miserable weather, but it's calm. We'll get it done for you, like. So subscribe, keep it locked.
Cool. Little spin. Basically, it's just a box over there, innit? But the leather, was it premium? Yeah. Was it normal Air Forces? Nah, that's premium, bro. You can tell, innit?
Yeah, it does look slightly better. Nothing crazy. Yeah, look at the insole as well.
Insole.
The little details.
Got details there.
Even the paper.
Supreme.
Yeah, it says Supreme underneath the Air Force. It's really small, but it's there.
I got it. Nice.
And on the tongue, look.
And on tongue as well. Right there. There you go.
Yeah, nothing on the back there.
Yeah. Look, don't wanna see us live. Get money then dip. Old days in the bitch. Still tryna get rich. Mud stains on the kicks. All from taking risks. Weekends getting pissed. That's the life that we live. Don't do it like that. Don't do it like this. Don't do it like that. Don't do it like this. Mud stains on the kicks. All from taking risks. Weekends getting pissed. That's the life that we live. Old days on the block. Bro busting them shots. Had a ting in the socks. Calm Steve and just bought. See feds and we turned around. Still tryna get that quick turnaround. On the piss that I burn about. Need my wallet fat burning pounds. Young entrepreneur. Turn 2 into 4. Seen less, I need more. Big plans move abroad. Big planes, Concorde. French things, bonjour. Said hi, long pause. Why they moving so long?
This is what everyone's after, isn't it? It's printed on.
Retail is 128. 128. I mean, it's a bit steep, isn't it? I mean, that's what it is. Comes like this. Yeah, this is tiny, man.
I went in and I said, wrong shot.
And then at the back, well,
Comes with a piece of wood as well.
can you take the wood out? What was it like? It's just a stick.
Oh, it's just a display stick. It's not an actual incident.
What's it smell like?
It's good. It's so smooth. It's like the store. You know that smell when you get out of the store.
Yeah.
I need a whip. I need a house. Up in the sticks. Need me a wife. Need me some kids. God, that's your beauty. Think about 6. I need my bro down with a business plan to get rich. I need my new yard with so much floors, I need lifts. I need a watch so cold it freezing my wrist. I need my garden, fat as hell like a pit so I can get pulled on it. Money in, money out, still trying to get them large amounts. Don't forget, live life, get a chance, make it count. I do this thing from like 9 to 5, I ain't say I got it but I'm getting by. Business change, have to change position, cut half the things you see you ain't living. Really out here trying to make a difference. Change my options, I ain't going prison. Took a shot but the aim's missing. Same journey but the pain's different. But the man think it's cool. Okay, live by them rules. Big up man, know we're school. I'm putting that knowledge to use. Don't wanna see us live. Get money then dip. Old days in the bitch. Still tryna get rich. Mud stains on the kicks. All from taking risks. Weekends getting pissed. That's the life that we live. Don't do it like that. Don't do it like this. Don't do it like that. Don't do it like this. Mud stains on the kicks. All from taking risks. Weekends getting pissed. That's the life that we live.
What are you saying, is it?
Nothing, man.
How was the drop?
Just trying to get through with this weather, man.
Cool.
Look at this. Salt. It's not even you can't even sell it no more.
Come on, G. Oh, nice.
Nice, very cool, I think.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Take it, hold.
I need a whip. I need a house. Up in the sticks. Need me a wife.
Fine. Okay. Because I will keep it, so it's okay. Yeah.
I want to see the locks move.
Ready?
Oh, you will see this move?
Yeah.
Why
I think maybe you should use a cape. I'm not sure.
Still trying to get them large amounts. Don't forget, live life, get a chance, make it count.
Nice.
This thing from like 9 to 5. I ain't say I got it, but I'm getting by. If you change, I have to change position. Cut half the things you
So
see.
we saying summarize the drop, bro.
Basically, it's been a really rainy day. No one's about. So the white Air Force, so the black Air Force. Let us know what you think. And comment, like, and subscribe, bro.
Follow us on Insta as well.
Follow us on Insta.
So, isn't it? Come on, gang.
Still trying to get rich. Mud stains on the kicks. All from taking risks.
this camera's
Weekends
live,
getting
bro.
pissed. That's the life that we live. They don't do it like that. They don't do it like this. They don't do it like that. They don't do it like this. Mud stains on the kicks. All from taking risks. Weekends getting pissed. That's the life that we live.